Welcome to all of you. Today we will discuss market survey and after that formulation of project and financial analysis of project. So what is market survey? Market survey is a necessary element of any project. Market survey implies a systematic and rational study of markets to collect information relevant for the market decisions. Market survey is an objective and systematic collection, recording, analysis, and interpretation of data about existing or potential markets for a project or a service. The main aim in this exercise is to analyze the market situation. To arrange market survey, importance should be given on the following aspects. Which aspects? First one, size of the market and anticipated market share in terms of the volume and value, pattern of demand, steps in conducting market survey. Steps in conducting market survey. First step is define problem. Then second one, defining the objectives. Decide the specific information needed for that situation. At the time of identify the source from which the information is to be obtained. Assess the time and cost for the survey. And finally decide the working methodology and the action plan for the survey. The next one is a sampling plan. Sample is a representative part of the whole called as a sample. For the data collection, there are two methodology. First one is the population or universe and second one is a sampling. It will not be always possible to collect information from the whole population. So select a sample size and decide a plan for contacting that samples at a proper time. Then next important step is preparing questionnaire. Depending upon the objectives and the types of survey to be conducted, techniques and the tools of data collection. Questionnaire is one of the tool of data collection. Questionnaire is a set of questions. In order to ask the uniform questions related to the topic, prepared a questionnaire schedule for the survey. The next step is the data collection and the analysis of data. Collect the data from the respondents by personally contacting them or by mail questionnaire. While we personally contacted them or personally meet the respondent, ask questions and record their replies with the help of the interview schedule and or by mail questionnaire. Mail questionnaire is a set of questions sent to respondents by mail. The respondents fill in the questionnaire and return it back to the surveyors or the company. Mail survey is useful where the respondents are at a distance and spread over a large area and cannot be contacted by the personal interviews. Then check the data immediately after the collection and analyzes the data for drawing the conclusion. The next step is the reporting. Based on the analysis of the data, prepare a report and submit it to the sponsoring authority. Survey report. In that survey report, there will be summary of conclusions and the recommendations, introduction, methodology, sample and its characteristics, detailed findings, and the questionnaire and the supporting research instruments are included. Then we will see the one example, model questionnaire schedule for the market survey. As per the objective of the survey, a questionnaire will have to be prepared for the collection of data. As an example, a model questionnaire for assessing the market potential is prepared. The market potential can be assessed by collecting information on the consumers, suppliers, and the manufacturers. On similar line, questionnaire for different market surveys can be prepared. For example, questionnaire for market survey for the market potential. Data collected from the consumers. Questions like what is their annual consumptions and the requirement, what is their present source or supply, what is the customer's brand, loyalty, and the preferences about the price, quality, payment, terms, etc. Are they satisfied with the present product and the supply? These questions are asked to the consumers. What is their purchasing criteria and the purchasing power of that specific product? Then what is the consumption pattern on the basis of calculation of their requirements? What could be the future consumption pattern in quantity and the quality due to the technological changes? And what is the size of the average order or the specification, time, frequency of their placement? These are the questions asked for the consumers. Will any government institution or the department or any company buy the product? It is possible to establish linkages with them and how? What is the life of your potential buyer, their age group, geographical area they lived in, urban, village, and which part of the country? Then questions asked on this topic. What do you mean by market survey? Write in details steps in conducting the market survey. Define market survey and write down important points to be considered to prepare a questionnaire for market survey, and write down the points for questionnaire to collect information on the consumers, suppliers, and the manufacturers. This is all about the market survey.